Okay, so we're on our way to Kuala Lumpur for KD's first ever international fencing tournament. Yay! Let's go. So we finally arrived here at our hotel in Kuala Lumpur. Okay. So this is our room. And TV. So, we are hungry. Kaya malapit daw to sa Chinatown. And that's where we're gonna go right away.
Oh, let's sleep.
Bye. Good morning, Malaysia! So, we're here right now sa Harrison Boutique. This is the meeting place for the tour that we booked via Klook. So, it's the Bato Cave plus City Tour here in KL. So, mauna yung Bato Cave, and then we're going to Istana Negra, Lake Gardens, National Mosque of Malaysia, Old FMS Railway Office, I Love KL Station, and finally, it will end in Petronas Tower. So, it's only 935 per person. And then with additional vouchers, discount vouchers, so it will be less than that. And we're so excited. The weather is good. So, we have only this day to tour Malaysia. And I think this is a very good deal and good package. So, let's start the tour. So, ano to? Yan, yung kunafa. Kunafa chocolate. And then, ito yung bestseller daw nila. Yung tiramisu. Ayan. May mga ano sila, free samples. Oo, so nag-breakfast na kami. So, we're now here at Batu Cave. We're just going down from up the cave. So, kailangan ko lang dito madala ka ng towel kasi mainit. Pawis na kami. And fan. And water. So, next stop is the Kilang Batik factory. So next stop is the National Monument. Unfortunately, sarado yung palace because there's a meeting between the heads of the state. So we were actually caught in a traffic jam kasi palabas yung mga police and everything. And now this is the National Monument.
just put the national mosque, okay?
This is another view of this tower, the second tallest na daw siya, which is right in front of the hotel that we're staying at. The entrance of the mosque. You have to remove your shoes to go in. Milo every day. Yes, we're here at Belize Chocolate Kingdom. It says that they produce the best chocolate in Malaysia. Let's have a taste. They give free tastes. So, I don't know, parang pareho lang siya ng lasa nung tinignan namin kanina. Natikman mo yung manghang? Saan? Gusto mo tikman? Try the dark chocolate chili. Sarap. Okay, so we're here sa Mitarik in Chinatown, and this is his order. This is our first meal. So after that city tour, we're going to Berjaya Times Square. Actually, we went back to the hotel and rested a bit. Tapos now we're on our way to Berjaya Times Square kasi we're going to book our bus to Singapore. We're gonna cross Singapore the next day, and not the next day, 2 days from now, and stay there for 2 more nights. So if you are planning to go from Kuala Lumpur to Singapore, Berjaya Times Square is where the terminal is, one of the terminals for the buses going there. Yeah, with Sir Dennis. Look, take 1 crab per person.
Isa-isa na bawat pa.
And,
Kasi 1 per person.
okay. So, merong live crab. Pili tayo na mas malaki. Oh, crabby! I'm gonna kill you. And then, dadunk mo siya rito para mamatay siya. Oh, ano naman, sinatay natin yung crab.
Sinashock sila para
Oh, crab. Dito mismo meron. Ayan, the aftermath. I ate a lot of crabs. Now, dessert fruits. And ito yung favorite ko, yung may plum powder. Today is day 2 of us here in KL, and it's competition time.
Yabubo. You wanna take a picture of Yabubo?
Yeah, boo. We're walking just here sa Bukit Bintang area. We'll check out some of the malls and then later we'll go to Petronas. Found it! I'm so happy! Yay. Okay, so this is like the Orchard Road in Singapore, full of branded shops. So nice. She won a medal. So let's get her new shoes. Kasi ito, pudpud na. See, the pudpud shoes. It's not even. Looks nice. Of course, a visit to KL is not complete without going to Good. So this is it for our Malaysia vlog. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever we drop a new vlog. See you in Singapore! Bye!